All right, I'm going to work out the Day 7 Object practice assignment. So in class together, we will have done this, and I will. I don't know right at this point exactly what example I'm going to use in class, but I said do another square. So first, let's take a look at the square class down here. Right here is the constructor. So when you create a square, you have to send it a double. And you can send it an integer, it doesn't hurt. But we're going to send it over a double. So square S2, let's call it example. Square example equals new square. You always have to use the new keyword. And then there's going to be parentheses and a semicolon at the end. And now we're going to send over a double. Let's send over 1.141, which is close to the square root of 2. And I only do that because I want to print the area and have it be close to 2. I guess I might as well stop fighting where it wants to put the next line. So now we're going to do system.out.println example.getArea. So that's going to print the area. And why don't we put a little text here? Example square plus. I'm going to triple click on this line. Copy, paste, paste. And why don't I write the word area here? And I'll write the word perimeter here. And then instead of get area on the second one, we're going to say perimeter. So let's run this. Perimeter should be like 2.28. Oh, sorry, there's 4 of them, so 4.56. The area, yeah, I think it's 1.41, so I was off. Let's try it again. It should be closer to 2 this time. It doesn't really matter. I just was using a double. So yeah, really close to 2, and the perimeter 5.64. So now your task is to create your own square, your own rectangle, and your own circle. And it says squares take a single double argument, rectangles take 2 integer arguments, and circles take a double. So I'm going to go ahead and create another square. I'm going to just call it H1 equals new square. And remember, it takes a double. So I'm going to go bigger this time, 475. You don't have to send a decimal. And then I'm going to copy these lines, and I'd like you to do that as well. I mean, you can copy my original ones. So let's say H1 square area, H1 square perimeter, and then H1 and H1. Let's run it. It should be some big numbers. Area, super big, perimeter, 475 times 4. Yeah. Anyway, we'll just trust that it's good. You're not trying to evaluate whether it's true or not. Now, rectangles take 2 integer arguments. That's the length and the width. So we're going to say rectangle H2 equals new rectangle. This H2, you can any legal variable name is fine there. And I'm going to say 8, comma. So it's a 8 by 20 rectangle. And then I'm going to copy this. I'm going to paste. And it's H2 angle H2. And it's H2 angle H2. So these calls, I made it so all these classes have the same get area and get perimeter methods inside of them, so that you didn't have to learn 1,000 new things today. So 8 times 20 is 160, just checking. Yeah, that works. And 8 plus 8 plus 20 plus 20 is 56. We're doing great. A circle takes a single double argument. So let's see. Circle. I'm going to call it H3 equals new circle. And I'm going to do 10. 10. You know, it's a double, but you don't have to make it a double. I'm going to paste those things that I still had on the clipboard. H3, circle, circle, H3, H3. And that was the assignment. So I wanted you to create, we did the top one, and then I wanted you on your own to create a square, a rectangle, and a circle and print all the info and do it all nice and neat. So there you go.